Good morning from the Commerce Station. It's been a while since I was last here. Well, today's July 4th, so I'm off work. Just got here about 10 minutes ago. 769 is running a couple minutes late this morning, so yeah, he's about to pass right now. Alright, there he is. I don't know what track he's on. Oh, you know what? He's on this one. Should have 121.16. All right, here we go. There it goes, 769 to Goleta. All right, guys, so about to pass Commerce right now. On track 2 is Metrolink 1662. So yeah, so since today is the 4th, Metrolink's running on a weekend schedule. So yeah, it should be 941 paired up with 681. We'll see. Because I couldn't really tell what was on 1661 this morning when I left San Juan Capistrano.
I didn't see that.
All right, here we go. Yep, I was right. 941 and 681. Alright, so it's 11:09 in the morning right now, about to be 11:10. So yeah, so we have an eastbound intermodal that just pulled out of the Hobart yard about 10 minutes ago. So yeah, he's about to pass Commerce right now on Main 3. Here with my buddy Max from Fullerton, who I haven't seen in a while. So yeah, he told me there may be an H1 on here, but we'll see. Yeah, this looks like a Q train to me. But there's a bunch of FedEx containers up front, so either a Q train or Z trains, but we'll try to figure out which one's which. So yeah. Oh, you know what? Yep, there is an H1. It's trailing at the back. Leader is 7589. All right, here we go. Yep, 10:33 it is. Not bad. 10:33 trailing 5th. So 11:10 for the eastbound Q intermodal. Leader is 7589. 4553. 5390. 3735 and 1033. Oh wow, the front units are smoking red.
Yeah, it's smoking.
the yards, their maximum speed is 15 miles an hour. Yeah. Bunch of FedEx containers, but front, bunch of behind. Yeah. Yeah, he's picking up speed. Yeah, this doesn't look like he's trying to make it. Alright guys, there goes that Q train out of Hobart, heading eastbound with H1 unit 1033, trailing 5th. Alright, so it's 11:22 right now, so we have an eastbound port stacker about to pass on Main 3, and then 572 should be passing in a couple minutes on Main 1. So yeah, let's see how this is going to go. Oh yeah, this is definitely a long one. All right, let's see what we have on for power on the port stack. Oh, is that a Dreamliner? Hold on, I'm gonna check really quickly. Yep, coming in from Narita. Okay, here we go. Leader is 49.97. $49.97 was involved in the Kismet collision.
Oh wait, actually?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, 577. 11:22. $75.88. 74.07. All right. Alright, we're just waiting for 572 to pass right now.
Hey, behind you, behind you.
Oh! Alright guys, so I think 572 is gonna get sandwiched in, but we got a westbound about to pass on main 1 right now. Hold on. Oh, okay. They're putting 572 on here too. Thank God. Yep, they're putting 572. Oh yeah, he's getting sandwiched in, guys. You know what? I think this is the bar burn. Oh yeah, this is the bar burn. Oh, there's 572 about to pass right now. EB 162. $51.73, $75.33, $54.09, and $171. Nice. Okay, this is a little bit interesting, but there's a rear DPU on this guy. Man, this may have finished the short, but there's something trailing out the back. This is interesting. Okay, and then we have 5714. Alright guys, well there goes the bar burn going into the Vernon yard shortly, so yeah. Alright guys, it's 12:09 right now. We got a westbound port stacker about to pass right now, so yeah. Alright guys, there goes that port stacker down to Long Beach. Alright, here is 774 to San Diego. Alright guys, about to pass me right now is 573 to LA for today. There's a P42 DC on here with an ST44, so 189 with 2122. Let's go. It's on main 3. Alright guys, there goes 573 to LA for the afternoon with 6901, Point Hueme leading. Then with P42 DC, 189, and Siemens Charger SC44, 2122.